Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to search by image on AliExpress. Here's a step-by-step process to search by image on the AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser, any browser of your choice, and navigate to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. If you're not logged in already, you can do so by clicking on the account icon in the top right corner and entering your account's credentials. Once you're done with that, at the top of the home page, you will see a search bar, which is just right here. Now, inside the search bar, you will see a small camera icon here on the right side. Go ahead and click on this icon to initiate image search. Now, a window will pop up, which has been shown here, prompting you to either drag and drop an image or to click to browse your files. Okay, that's by clicking on this upload a photo button, or you can just go ahead and drag the image. Now, select the image from your device that you want to search with. Once your image is uploaded, AliExpress will process it and display relevant product results that match or are similar to the image. Now, review the results once that is done and click on any item you are interested in to see the product details. I do not have a picture or I do not have an image that I want to search, but if you do, just drag and drop the image in here or click on upload a photo to browse from your computer or to browse from your files. Then select the image from the device that you want to search with. And once your image is uploaded, AliExpress will process it and display relevant product results that match or are similar to the image. Go ahead and review the results once everything is done and click on any item you are interested in to see the product details. And that's it. That's how you search by image on AliExpress. Now, you can go over this tour from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.